Contract Transport is a trucking company. We're primarily a contractor to the United States Postal Service. We have about 85 drivers, full and part-time, about 78, 79 trucks. We probably, in the local area, we probably do about 90% of the mail between here and Minneapolis and here in Kansas City. When you're hauling mail for the post office, it's all scheduled delivery. Without the ability to deliver on time, we wouldn't have any contracts. They have trailers scheduled in, scheduled out at a certain time. If you can't meet those schedules, then everything gets messed up. I've read about biofuel for years, and I really believe that's the future of energy use in this country. So when we were given the opportunity to participate with that, we jumped on it. Just last year, we saved 463 metric tons of emissions that would have been let out in the atmosphere just by using a renewable fuel. REG has been fantastic for us. Anytime I have a question about fuel quality, anytime I get in a jam, they're here to help with that. They've inspected my tank to make sure there's not debris in the tank. They've been a great business partner. I can't imagine buying fuel from anyone else. It's a great fuel. I've always read that the emissions were cleaner, and I found that to be true. And if we can make the air cleaner in any way, that we all need to be on board with that. I've always felt that we need to take a responsible approach to fuel management. And this is one way to do that.